po siya sa kanyang hometown na sa Charlottetown. Kaya naman everyone, let's raise our right hand at sabay-sabay po natin Robert Y at sabay-sabay sabi, paalam Charlie, paalam! Hanggang sa muling pagiging Charlie, maraming salamat for joining us today at celebration to honor her Father's Day special. Good job, Charlie!